Hey everybody, this is Jason Akers with Green Acres Pest Control, and this is a completely impromptu video. A lot of you have been following me for 2 years. I've been doing pest control for 30 years, and I've been doing YouTube for about 2 years now. A lot of you know you can call me at any time, even if you're out of state. I don't mind helping. You know, I do all these videos in my own free time, just to help everybody out. This is what I like to do. It's what I enjoy, just helping people. It's why I got into this business. It's why I do what I do. I know I do have some kind of funny videos out there, like why I don't tell the secrets to killing bed bugs, you know, different videos like that. And I understand the titles are kind of clickbaitish, but truthfully, I don't mind giving away my secrets. They're not really secrets because it's the law. I have to tell you what I use in your home anyway. Yeah, I'm not telling you anything that I wouldn't tell anybody else. In fact, it's the law. I have to tell you. You know, if I come in your home and I treat with Crossfire, it's on the label. I put it on your receipt. You will have a copy of your receipt, the volume it's mixed at, how much was applied, everything. You know, it's the law in Virginia. I have to tell you. So I don't mind telling people over the internet what chemicals I use for, you know, what things I get rid of. So in 2 years that I've been doing YouTube, I have answered a lot of phone calls. I want to first thank everyone for all of the support you've given me. I don't mind helping. I really appreciate everyone. Everyone has been so kind, so just really appreciative of me, you know, because of all the work I do trying to help people. I've been on the phone. I've spent hours and hours and hours of my own free time trying to help people. I have pulled over on the side of the road on a route day, and I have taken time to talk to people, sometimes an hour, you know, just sit there trying to calm people down. They get bed bugs, they get roaches, mice, you know, and I can't help them because they're out of state, and the most help I can do is give advice. So here is what happened today. A lot of you know that my wife is pregnant. She's due in around October, beginning to the middle of October. Over the last few days, she's had issues, and we were worried that she was going to have to go in and give birth to a premature baby. She has been in and out of the hospital for 2 days. Today, but now that's just the backstory. So what happened today? I was at home. My wife was, I was waiting for a call from my wife. A guy calls, and he's from California. Now, I live in Virginia, and there's a 3-hour difference. He calls from California, and he says he's got bed bugs. He thinks he's got bed bugs. He wants to pick my brain, asked if I was still open. I'm like, I'm always open, because I am. I'm 24 hours. I'm the only exterminator I know of in Virginia that's 24 hours. And so I said, yeah, sure, I'll talk to you. I don't mind. And so I talked to him for a few minutes, and then his phone did a really weird, like, the way I describe it to people is, if you're old enough like me, you remember who Max Headroom is, but it sounded like really weird computer disconnect, like the digital signal just dropped, and the signal dropped. Well, at the same time the signal dropped, my wife called. And so I was on the phone with my wife, and he called back, and I was not able to answer the phone because I've been waiting for a call from my wife. It's my wife, and it don't matter if she's sick or not. If my wife calls, she's got precedence over anybody else, even a customer. I work for my family, and so if she calls, it's because there's something she needs to talk to me about, and so I always take the call because she's the most important person in my life. And so the guy called back. I couldn't answer the phone. But like I said, the phone call was dropped anyway. It was an accidental drop. It happens, you know. Anybody that's got a cell phone knows they're not reliable. Even landlines really aren't reliable anymore, since they went digital with a lot of that stuff too. So anyway, he evidently tried to call back a couple times. All I did was miss one, but apparently he called twice because I have a voicemail from him. And the thing is, I do YouTube to help. I answer calls to help when I can. This was the only time that I ever had somebody that was rude to me, actually really bothered me because I'm trying to help him. I called him back as soon as I could. I called him back. He cursed at me. He threw a fit because I couldn't answer his call right away. I understand he's stressing out over bed bugs, but you know, you got to at least, you get more with honey than with vinegar. And if you've ever heard that saying, that's, you know, you treat people nice if you want to get free advice at any time. You know, like I said, I have woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and talked to somebody from New Zealand who called me long distance about termites. You know, I do this for people at any time of day. I don't mind. If you have a problem, call me. I'm available. But don't get mad if a phone call gets dropped. He, you know, claimed I hung up on him. I didn't hang up on him. I don't hang up on anybody. I hang up on solicitors. People try to call me and sell me some crap I don't want, or Windows or Google ad space, or, you know, some BS that I don't need. You know, yeah, I hang up on those people all the time, especially Yelp. I hang up on those guys every day. So, but anyway, you guys have a really great evening. And remember, as you're listening to this recording right here, I'm going to play it for you so you can hear this voicemail that I was left today. Try to be nice. You know, I'm not hanging up on you, not on purpose. I don't hang up on anybody. I leave my phone calls open for anybody at any time. Call me. You guys have a really great night. Thanks.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to you, man, but that was kind of rude. If you didn't want to help me, you didn't want to talk to me, why didn't you just say so instead of hanging up like a fucking ass? All right, anyways, God bless you. Good luck.